In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear memory of your charts in ChatGPT. So if you look here, I have here a thread and it has a lot of conversation, but I'd like to go ahead and clear all the memories for this so that ChatGPT does not follow the same pattern in my new thread that I want to create. So to clear the memory, first you have to go and look for the conversation under which those charts are under. And for my case, they are under this thread. So once you have identified the thread, go ahead and tap on it near the three dots. And now here, go ahead and tap on delete. Now don't go ahead and select the delete function here. What you want to do to clear the memory is to choose this setting option that is here. So if you tap on this setting option, you will access the memory of this thread or this ChatGPT conversation. And as you can see, the memory was turned on and it has stored a lot of information. So if we tap on manage memories, you can see all this conversation under this thread have been following these memory or instructions that were given or that I gave to ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and clear each by tapping on delete or forget. So if you click on that, then you're told that ChatGPT will forget the instructions that you had given it. So I'll go ahead and tap on forget, and ChatGPT will cease from storing that memory. So I'll go ahead and also delete for the rest because I had several instructions that I had requested ChatGPT to store in memory. So I'll click and forget all of them. Alternatively, you can just use this clear chat memory and it will go ahead and clear all the memory that was in your ChatGPT. And as you can see, memory cleared. So that's how you clear memory on ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.